How often do you see a couple's unit with a full outdoor kitchen? Well, I got one behind me. This is a 2017 Nano Apex Ultra-Lite by Coachmen. This is 215 RBK on the model number. Try remembering that. I couldn't. Down here in the back kitchen, you got a nice mini fridge there for your beverages, some pull-out drawers, a sink, and some storage up above. Huge awning with LED lights underneath. You even get LEDs in the speakers. Check those out. You got pass-through storage up front there. Come on inside, guys. Let's check her out. Wow, look at this. This is actually a really neat layout. Huge U-shaped dinette with corner cabinets. Let's get one of those puppies open. That's awesome. Some storage down underneath the dinette as well, guys. I don't know, be creative. Store some sleeping bags. We're kind of all over the place here, so we're going to go over to the entertainment area. You do got some phone charging up there with some storage up above. Great size television that will flip around into the master bedroom. Stereo deck for those inside-outside speakers. And down below, a little bit more storage. Now, all of our unit controls are right here, but we'll get to that. In the kitchen, we have all of our cutlery drawers, utensils, and all that fun stuff. And then underneath the sink, some more storage. Great spot for a garbage can. And then, boom, look at that. Huge double sink. Tons of counter space in a smaller unit like this, guys. Love the accent lighting up there over top of the cabinets. Looks very nice. Cups and plate storage up there. You do got a nice size microwave, high point, range hood, 3-burner cooktop with a fair size oven. And then we have a Dometic gas and electric refrigerator right here. Now, we can go up front. I'll show you the master bedroom, then we'll get into this wicked rear bath. So, nice queen size bed here. You do got storage on either sides, as well as a nice spot up there. You can put a cup of water, charge your phones overnight, and there's half decent amount of storage up over top, if you guys can see that. Kind of an awkward angle here. Now, last but not least, boom, unit controls right there. Spot you could probably store some shoes or other things that you don't need all the time. Nice little pantry area right here outside the bathroom. I'll let you guys check that out. And then, look at this bathroom. Absolutely massive for a smaller unit like this. Do have a nice size vanity with some storage underneath and a medicine cabinet up over top. Take a look at this, folks. Look in there. Tons and tons of storage. Just crazy. It's all kinds of space around the toilet with the vent right where you want it. And then, check this shower out. Huge. Nice size. You got the extra headroom, folks. Glass doors on the shower. Very well done. Guys, if you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.